We are traveling through the streets of a residential area in Kyiv, which used to be a summer cottage. Join us on a virtual journey through a rural oasis in the heart of Kyiv. Once upon a time, from the depths of the Desenka River, flowed a crystal-clear stream of water, the Silver Spring, which gave life to the surrounding flora and fauna. According to legend, its waters had miraculous powers. They healed the sick, gave youth and beauty, and inspired people to create. In the picturesque lake, filled with the healing waters of the spring, a mysterious plant grew, the living lily. This lily had an incredible appearance and fragrance and a mysterious power. Legend has it that the living lily bloomed only once a year on the summer solstice when the sun shone brightest. When the lily bloomed, its scent filled the air and gave people a sense of joy and peace. One day, a young gardener called Alexander, who lived nearby and was seriously ill, decided to take care of this mysterious plant. He researched its mysterious properties, carefully nurtured and protected it. And then, when the living lily bloomed again, an amazing thing happened. Alexander's illness receded and his body was filled with strength. The lily, as if in response to his sensitivity and care, granted him healing. To this day, it is said that at night, when the moon is especially bright, the silhouette of Alexander can be seen over the lake, guarding the silver spring and the living lily, giving people his love and incredible healing. Since then, people have begun to call this place Voskresensky, in honor of the resurrection of life, goodness, and faith. In 1958, under Soviet rule, a dacha settlement was founded here in Kyiv. At that time, the settlement consisted of 930 plots covering an area of approximately 96 hectares. These plots, as in other dacha settlements in Kyiv that emerged during the Soviet era, were allocated to employees of factories and enterprises. During the Soviet era, Kyiv scientists, writers, artists, actors, and other intellectuals built their summer cottages here. This is a picturesque and cozy place in Kyiv, which has been a favorite of Kyiv residents for many years. The village has no clear layout. The streets are winding, narrow, and mostly unpaved. Most of the houses are 1- and 2-story dachas made of brick, wood, and other materials. The village can be reached by bus, taxi, or private car. The settlement has several shops, cafes, pharmacies, and other facilities. In the past, these plots were used as summer cottages, but later many of them were converted into permanent residences. The local roads, as you can see, are in need of repair. Ahead of us on the road are real lakes. This is a place of contrasts. Here, the beauty of nature struggles with human indifference. These problems make life uncomfortable for the people who live here. This is despite the fact that the area has great potential, and we want to believe that one day people will be able to preserve this picturesque place for future generations.